Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today it's pouring. The backyard is gonna get flooded because of the pool. It's gonna overflow, and I'm wearing a jacket right now. What? It's already getting a little bit flooded over there. Do you see that? Dad, the backyard's already a little flooded. Oh no.
Where is she?
She's like, yeah. Whoa. So, it's like the morning right now. I'm supposed to be going to school.
You want to stay home, you can. But,
No.
you want to play with mud puddles with your friends, I know you.
Yeah.
Slavia, I know you.
Look. Dad, this little alley is already getting...
Hold on, right back.
Dad, I know! Dad! No, don't! I feel so bad for my dad. He has to do all of those things. He literally runs in the rain. Who runs when it's pouring? Dad, are you okay? Wait. Okay.
Look at the rain on my head. I had to close that. Somebody left the trash cans open and they get filled with water. And trash and water spread germs.
And then it overflows, and then the garden gets overflowed like really bad. Yeah, we have arrived at our destination. I'm gonna leave it here.
There's a flash flood warning, I think.
Guys, I'm gonna leave it there, okay?
Why don't you just check the weather?
That was my dog. Whoa, Dad, I'm scared. What if there's a flash flood and we die? I'm sorry, there was a flash flood here once. Oh, and guys, this is Los Angeles, haha. I'm just joking. This is not Los Angeles. I actually don't know what city we live in. Okay, so there was the mini flood in my backyard, and so bye.